Hello class 1, welcome to the class of English literature. So today we will do English literature chapter 11 and page number we'll do is 97. Okay, children, as you all know that we have completed chapter 11, right? I have explained the chapter, then I have given you the question answers also. I have sent the question answers for you. And today what we will do is we will do page number 97. Page number is 97. Okay, what we will do in this page number? We will do the grammar time. We will do grammar time. So open your book at page number 97. Page number 97. This is page number 97. This one we will do. Now use what we will use? Read the question. Page number is 97, chapter 11, grammar time. We will do question number 1, this exercise. So what is the exercise? Use and to join the sentences given below. You have to make use of and. Okay, suppose we say and is what? And is a joining word. And is a joining word. We use and to join two sentences or two words. Okay, right? Like Ravi is a boy, full stop, Ram is a boy. So what can we write? When we want to join the two sentences, we can write Ram and Ravi are boys. Isn't it? Right? So this way we have joined two sentences. Like one more example, I have a pen, I have a pencil. Two sentences are there. Now if we want to join the two sentences, then what we'll do? I have a pen and a pencil, full stop. So this is one sentence. I have a pen and a pencil. So here I am not writing two sentences. I am just joining the two sentences with the word and. Right. So this is the use of and. So we use and to join two separate words or two group of words. It may be two separate words or it may be group of words. Group of words means what? Sentence. Group of words means a sentence. So this way, I like, suppose I like mango, one sentence. I like banana, sentence number 2. Now when I want to join the two sentences, I can say that I love mango and bananas, full stop. See, only one sentence. So we can join sentences by using and. Okay. So here in this page number 97, see, use and to join the two sentences given below. First sentence is I like mango, I like oranges. See, this is the first sentence. Number 1, I like mangoes, I like bananas. Okay, now we can join this sentence by writing I like mangoes and bananas. I like mangoes and bananas. Number 1. That is number 1, A. First sentence is I like mangoes, I like banana. So you can write I like mangoes and bananas. Then full stop. See, in one sentence the meaning is clear. We have joined the two sentences I like mango and I like banana by writing I like mangoes and bananas. Number 2 sentence is the king was wise, the king was wise, the king was brave. So the king was wise, then the king was brave. So we can join the two sentences by writing the king was wise and brave. The king was wise and brave. See, this is what I have done here for you. You can see A and B. Okay. I like mangoes and bananas. The king was wise and brave. The king was wise and brave. Number B. Then come to number C. Swati likes to skate. Swati likes to swim. Swati likes to skate. Number C. Swati likes to swim. So we can write Swati likes to skate and swim. Swati likes to skate. Number C. Swati likes to skate and swim. Full stop. Okay, then come to numbers D. There are lilies in the basket, there are roses in the basket. Two sentences. There are lilies in the basket, there are roses in the basket. So we can write like this. There are lilies and roses in the basket. So we have joined the sentence with and. There are lilies and roses in the basket. Right? Then number E, sentence number E. I can draw, I can paint. I can draw, I can paint. So how we have joined? I can draw and paint. I can draw and paint. Then number F. Number F, if the dog caught the ball, the dog ran away. Now two sentences. Now we will join that caught the dog caught the ball and ran away. The dog caught the ball and see, let me finish the sentence. The dog caught the ball, B-A-L-L ball, and ran away. See, the dog caught the ball and ran away. So this way, what we have done, we have joined the sentences by using and, A-N-D, and. You can write it and I will send it. I have already sent it, I think, in the Telegram. So from there you can write down. Okay. So this is the end of this chapter, that is chapter 11. Okay, question answer I have sent, and then we have already discussed page number 97, grammar time. So read this very nicely for exam. Okay, how to use and to join two sentences. Okay, thank you.